Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes no baking powder, only way. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and assemble ingredients. 1 3/4 cups flour, 1 cup sugar, 2 eggs, melted butter, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 tablespoon vinegar or a ½ cup yogurt. Whisk dry ingredients, combine wet ingredients, then fold together gently until just combined. Scoop into liners 2/3 full and bake until a toothpick comes out clean for fluffy cupcakes. When swapping baking powder, balance baking soda with an acid for consistent rise and flavor. Use yogurt, buttermilk, or vinegar to react with baking soda immediately after mixing. Measure carefully and keep batter mixing short to trap small bubbles that expand in the oven. If your recipe calls for a long rest, prefer yogurt for stability, and always bake promptly for the best texture and even crumb in your cupcakes. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which responds to voice control and keeps floors free of flour and crumbs while you bake, so cleanup is almost effortless. It makes baking days less messy and more relaxing. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Getting great rise without baking powder relies on technique as much as chemistry. Creaming butter and sugar well traps air that expands in the oven, while sifting flour and careful folding preserve those bubbles. Add the acid and baking soda near the end and mix just until combined to avoid losing lift. Fill liners moderately and resist opening the oven too early to achieve a tender, evenly risen cupcake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.